Hello, my name is Carrie Cutler, and welcome to the Monkey Gym. So this is our wrestling room. We actually will offer an all-year-round wrestling program from ages 5 and up. Basically, it's about 40 by 28. And it will be a really great program offered all year round. So this is the Monkey Gym Kids Art Room, where we will have kids art instruction from ages 5 and up. Melanie, our art instructor, and this will be basically ages 12 and up. She'll be instructing hearing impaired art classes as well as craft, charcoal, art painting, and murals, and art drawing. This will be basically where all of our kids can come. They can either do their homework over here on the table. We will have a computer set up if they need to do their homework off of the internet, or they need the internet access. And as well as we will be help give tutoring for after school programs.